when it comes to Ugandan food, it's not just about the bread and then the eggs. It's about real food. Today we have visited one of the local restaurants. I know you have been here 2 times or 3 times. So we are back here to show you what happens when we talk about Ugandan foods. This is a restaurant perspective, not a home perspective, but we'll do that in the next video. Keep watching, don't go anywhere. My name is Nicholas, as usual. My names don't change, Nicholas. You can call me eating the African way. So today we are going to eat and see what happens next. Let's go into the video. Eshimere. So what we have here, we have a Ugandan banana, a green banana, matoke. We have Irish potato, rice, and then the greens. I'm going to write all these in the description box. I might fail to get their English name, but I'm going to write them in the description box. Please check it out and learn more about this. Also, we have avocado, one of my favorite. Is it a fruit? I think it's a fruit. One of my favorite fruit. But we consider this to be a vegetable in Uganda. All right, let us get into this. I feel like I should have invited some of you to be here, but man, some foods are supposed to be eaten alone. Most of the times when I'm on the streets, I'm getting some breakfast or anything on the street, those food streets. I feel like I should be doing the videos and share them with you. That's why today I had to do this breakfast, and then I share everything with you, my family. And today I'm going to show you these cameramen when they are eating. Always you tell me, but are your cameramen going to eat anything? Today you're going to see that in the video. To eat on the hearts of the African men, you need to give them enough food. You need to cook for them food. Sometimes I get worried about the kind of person I will end up with, because with the way I eat. Whew. So the lady who owns this place, I know you have seen her in some of the videos, and also she cooked for us last time. She's going to come. So I'm calling her to come and say hi to you.
Hello everyone, I'm Goretti. This is my small restaurant.
Those of you who want her to come back and cook a dish, you can tell us in the comment section which Ugandan dish do you want her to cook. So tell us which Ugandan dish you want her to cook. We'll do that in the next video. Where are you? Whoever is watching this video, you can come and join me. I have enough food on the plate, you can see. I'm not going to finish it alone. I wish someone comes in and because the cameramen have their food already. So I think I should wait for someone to come in, and then we share this on your behalf. That person will be eating on your behalf. Of course, you cannot eat food alone. You need something to drink. Today, I'm going to show you some of the Ugandan street drinks. It's made from pineapple. It's called pineapple juice. Pineapple juice. You can use a straw, but this is one of the easiest way I enjoy drinking the pineapple juice. One of the coming videos, I'm going to share with you what it means by Ugandan breakfast, the one which is cooked at home. This one is a restaurant perspective. This is the restaurant perspective, but we'll do the original one when we are into a home, an African home, a local home. Now, those who are always in the comment section telling us what you're missing about Ugandan food or about African food, thank you so much for all the memories always share with us. Thank you so much for being here with us, and thank you so much for being part of eating the African way. I'm almost going to say thank you. But we appreciate love the time you take in to reply, and also reply to other comments when I'm away. Thank you so much. Those who are taking this channel more serious, even more than me, thank you so much for being part of this family. Thank you so much. I appreciate you a lot. As you're watching this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time here. My prayer is each one who is watching this video, my request is each one who is watching this video is to like this video. Give a thumbs up to this video. It's the only way we're going to get more views and more recommendations, and the only way we're going to go viral and we hit somewhere far. But thank you so much. I appreciate all the love. We need to finish this. We are going nowhere before this is empty. Wow. For the new followers, those who joined us this month, even last month, this one is for you. For the old ones who have been here for long and those who have joined us along the way, I always share this food with you. So today, we're going to share this with our own newcomers, the new family members. In my language, Luganda, we say ayewa ezomumba. Gwebazikuba. I don't know how that is translated. It is like, in simple terms, it is like, if you pick a fight, you make sure you win that fight. Because if you don't win, you're going to lose. Aye wezomumba gwebazikuba. Asubirete zinkubye.
I'm proud of Africa.
Yeah. Woo! I think we should go into a break and we come back later when you have created another space in the stomach. All right, welcome back from the break. That was a short one.
Remember your heritage. The African continent, so full of life, so full of love. My mama.
I think after here, I'm going to take a nap. I feel like sleeping right now. I feel like I should get somewhere and sleep.
Greetings. Mwazuka Bwanji. Kwadeyo. Koptango. Yoganoi. Shikamo habari. Koizeo mulembe. Sani bonani. Sanu. Aslema. Bonjour. Mbotenayo.
The spirit of Africa is
We need another break.
bold, strong, rich,
We need another break.
united, blessed and loved by
Tugendeko mu mulango w'abakama baffe tunaakomawo eddako.
this is who and what we are.
Eh,
Be down in Africa.
omuzungu yakola emmere.
Africa
Ya.
flows in every fiber of our being. The glory and light of Africa shines brighter and brighter.
Emmere n'owulira ng'ekutuuse, n'owulira ng'ekutamye naye nga wazze n'essanyu. Nga wazze oli musanyufu. I think that's enough. I lost the war. That's enough. I think let the cameraman take over. We are still taking a break. We need to finish this food. Kiganye. Nega tugezeeko.
So much to talk about Africa. Talk about game reserves, national parks, waterfalls.
I think after here I should go for deworming. I think there's some other stuff in my stomach which helped me to eat this food.
Food. Tulina amayuni, sukali ndizi, ebinyebwa, ebyennyanja tulya, eshabwe, malekwang. So blessed with cashew soup, sesame plantations, Accra banana, jollof rice, kati kati chicken. In Sudan, we have kisra, el marara, and umfitit. In Sierra Leone, we have groundnut stew made from peanuts.
I give up now.
Tomatoes and onions.
Oh.
Cassava bread.
Emmere ekuba eri esinga n'omwenge. Right, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. I did my best. I tried. Just look at this. I tried. It was a lot. I think this work, this food can be enough for 4 people. 4, 3 people, even 1 person. Africans eat a lot. I know there are those who eat more than what I even ate right now. They eat a lot of food. So I tried. I think I'm not an African because I've failed. All right, let us also share some food with the cameraman. They're going to be seen in this video today. This was our second camera person. That was the first one. This one is called Joel, my little brother, and this one is Travis Omodiri Bada. Thank you so much for being part of Eating the African. Thank you so much for watching this video till to the end. Thank you so much. Please leave a comment, share your thoughts in the comment section. And always come back and watch other videos or request for any video you want to see next on Eating the African way, because this is what we do best. We reply to your requests. Catch up in the next video. Bye bye. Oye, magalo gamba bantu. Ewali?
They have to eat the African way.
Ngamulisa poko. These guys called me a villager because I used my fingers to eat. Now they are using forks. They don't know the benefits of using your natural forks to eat the food.